who make successful journey of Saima happen, Mrs. Brinda Prasad, Saima chairperson. Mrs. Brinda Prasad, please join us here on stage. Thank you for joining us today. One look at him and you keep wondering as to why the good-looking guys are the bad ones. Nominated in the category of Best Negative Role in Bahubali, please welcome Rana Daggubati. Now calling upon the talented actress who is entering the South Indian film industry with her debut in Malayalam alongside the legendary actor Mammootty. Please welcome the stunning Huma Qureshi. Up next, inviting on stage the beautiful multilingual actress who is also gearing up to set the stage on fire with her performance at Saima 2016 Singapore. Please welcome Pranita Subhash. Shot to fame with her role in the national award-winning movie Kanchi, this stunner has now become a household name. Please put your hands together for this powerhouse of talent, Pragya Jaiswal. And may I now call upon the gorgeous Bollywood actress who has been nominated this year for a debut in the Tamil blockbuster movie Anigan, Amaira Dastur. Thank you, Amaira, for joining us. I would now request Mrs. Brinda Prasad to open the stage and share with us a few words about Saima.
I'd like to apologize for the delay, and I'd like to start this evening and about Saima, to start off about Saima. With God's grace, immense support from our family, a very hardworking and dedicated team who have passionately been working day and night, with lots of love and affection from a lot of movie lovers across the globe and within the country, and with the unconditional support from the four South Indian film industries. Saima has grown to be what it is today, being the biggest and the most popular awards in South India. With less than a month to go, we are trying to put our best foot forward in bringing together the best of entertainment with power-packed performances, lots of awards, felicitations, loads of fun, and our very famous after parties. So, as always, we expect your love and support. Stay tuned and keep going with your love and support, and we will not let you down, and we will live up to your expectations of giving you a bigger, better Saima as always, as every year. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Prasad. Moving ahead, Rana, we'd like to hear from you about Saima 2016. It gets bigger and better this year.
Andarku namaskaram andi. Good evening. Saima, like there is a time of the year, I call this the Saima time of the year. And every year it's been getting bigger, cooler, and much more fun. And మనం ఇంటనే ఉంటాం సౌత్ ఇండియన్ సినిమా, తెలుగు కానివ్వండి, తమిళ్ కానివ్వండి, మలయాళం కానివ్వండి, కన్నడ కానివ్వండి. తెలుగు సినిమాలు అమెరికాలో చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నాయని, తమిళ సినిమాలు మలేషియా, తైవాన్ ఇలాంటి సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ ఏషియన్ బెల్ట్లో బాగా చేస్తున్నాయని, అలానే మలయాళ సినిమాలు దుబాయ్లో బాగా చేస్తున్నాయని. సో ఐ థింక్ Saima is the one platform which internationally puts these South Indian industries, and Brinda, Vishnu, all of them, and the entire team of Saima, they've been doing it time and again. I'm very proud and I'm very honored to be associated with them for all these years, and I'd like to continue this journey for as long as they want me to. And this year has a lot more fun films, there's a lot more cool performances, and it's in Singapore on the 30th of June and the 1st of July, so I'm hoping to see everybody there and going to put up a big show. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rana.
Good evening, everyone. Saima has been very special for me. This is the second time I'm here. The first time I was, of course, a guest of Brinda's and Vishnu's, and this time I'm performing. An important year for me, my first South Indian film in Malayalam, so I'm extremely excited, and I think this year is going to be bigger, better, and inshallah we'll become bigger and better every single year. So look forward to Saima this year.
Thank you very much, Huma. We look forward to Pranita. You are performing in Saima 2016. Why don't you please come forward and share with us of how the excitement levels are.
Good evening, everyone. It's really wonderful to know that we all actually look forward to that part of the year when the award functions are held. And among all the award functions, what we all really look forward to the most is definitely Saima. It's not only an award function, but it's that time of the year when all of us come together, all the four industries, and I really, really look forward to this Saima as it's getting bigger and better. And as I'm performing, I'm really, really excited and looking forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pranita. Pragya, we'd like to hear from you of your association with SIMA and how are you gearing up for SIMA 2016?
Andarki Namaskaram. Good evening, everybody. I'm actually really happy and excited to be here today. I have attended SIMA before as a guest, and this is the first time I'm going to be attending SIMA as a nominee, and I'm also performing, and I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, it's happening in Singapore, which happens to be one of my favorite cities. So it's very exciting, and I'm really happy and yeah, I'm really looking forward to SIMA this year. And I think I don't even need to wish the team all the best because they've been putting up such a great show for the last so many years, and I know this year is only going to be bigger and better. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya. And last up, Amara, we'd love to hear from you about your thoughts on SIMA 2016. Please come forward and share with us.
Good evening, everyone. This is my second SIMA, and I'm really excited to be going to Singapore. I can't wait to perform, and I'm just so glad to be nominated. So yeah, I can't wait. Thank you.
Thank you, Amara. Thank you, everybody. We'd like to open the floor for any Q&A. Just in case you have a question, please feel free to ask. The entire set is here. All of them are here on stage at this moment. Just in case any one of you has any questions, probably we can take a couple of them.
Rana, as always, again with the ladies. So, how does it feel?
When something just works in your life, don't ever question it. It's working, let it just be that way.
Can you be a little louder, Taruna? Can you be a little louder? Yeah.
I would like to know how does Pranita feel sharing the stage with Rana and all of you too?
Pranita.
It's obviously lovely to share the stage with Rana. I'm sure it is for all of us here. Yeah.
It was my childhood dream to share stage with Rana, so thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
This year we have a good lineup of performances. We have Anirudh, Hansika, and all of them sitting here on stage today. And pretty much around 15 put across 2 days. That's about it.
Rana is also performing.
Yes, we have a surprise act.
I perform after అంటే సైమ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ పార్టీ ఉంటుందండి అక్కడ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తాను బేసిక్లీ.
So maybe I'd like to ask, we have quite a few debut performances this year. We have Huma, we have Pragya. So maybe Mrs. Prasad would like to share of...
Don't you see how bright SIMA is getting with such promising list of performances? So
Yes, that's what we're looking forward
it's
to.
getting exciting, yes.
Yeah. And how did we come to choosing Singapore? It's a very vibrant and colorful city.
Well, why not Singapore? Because it has been on our mind for 2 years now.
Okay.
It worked out this year, so it happened.
All right. So any last questions here? Maybe last call, Taruna? Yeah, please go ahead.
Like along with you or apart from you, who are the other heroes who are performing?
Male actors.
Male actors.
We have Sudhir Babu performing as well.
Everyone?
Yes, one.
Okay, so I guess that sends up. Thank you everyone for joining us, and we wish you all the very best for SIMA 2016. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for this press conference.